Uy, wow, ang ganda ng jar. Oh, organic gummies. Orange gummies. Uy, nakulot yung gold ni Mr. Bean. Ang sabi niya, Albert Premier Belgian chocolate. Pasta sauce. Pasta sauce. Hindi open. Spaghetti. Uy. What's up, Mr. Bean? Oh, wow. Mahal. Oh, Nutty Fuji. I think the grabber will work.
Okay.
Maybe I don't have to go inside. Will we get the grabber lab? Nice. Organic petite dates. Ay, kinat nila. Inupin nila, oh. Isa lang, ang dalawa ang nadali, oh.
Oh.
But this one is individual wrap. Tingnan natin. Oh, this one walang cut. Oh, may oil na natapon. Nutty fruity. Will you give me bag lab? Thank you. May oil. There's some oil that's spilled. It's not perfume. It's oil.
Yeah, essential oil.
Yeah. Macaroni. Lemon. Ano to? Lemon. Wow, this is cool. Never seen lemon that it's in the can.
Does this have essential oil in it?
It's just oil. There's no smell.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's lemon. Isn't that cool? This one, dried yellow apricot. Okay, they're just oil.
Does it? If you look at everything, we're going to be here a while.
Huh?
I
Oh.
said if you look at everything.
No, I'm not. I won't.
Go ahead. I mean, and let everybody know what we're getting.
Those are noodle. Noodles.
What is that?
Noodles.
It's like dried worms.
Huh? Wonder what's this? Oh, lemon cotton candy. Oh, hello, nata di coco.
Take it out of the box. This is the box so you can go inside. That's why I got the grabber.
Oh, nochi.
So if you empty the box, then I can move the box out of the way.
This one? It's heavy.
I know. That's why I said I didn't think the grabber would do it.
So you wanna empty it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Please be careful because your glove is not. Yeah, it's a broken glasses.
Yeah.
Nice, mahal.
What is it?
It's a futon.
Yeah.
Pillow spray. Oh. Hirap naman eh. Ang bigat. Oh, ang bigat. Makin may asan to. Oh. Aha, meron tayong filler, oh. Ano ba ito? Peeler? Oh, sangkit. May pudtong pa, oh. Ang ganda ng pudtong natin, oh.
Okay.
I can go in na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get
Oh,
there's some
change,
stuff here
change your gloves.
that's in the way
Okay.
before you can step in. So get that out.
Oh, more lemon. Oops. Ano pa ito? Denver chips. Have you heard of that? Denver chips?
Never heard of it.
All kinds of nuts.
What is this?
Organic.
Orgy Bite. Nutty Selection.
Oh, I don't think this
Orgy
is still
bite?
good, love. Oh, those are marshmallow. Okay. I can go inside na. Pasukin na natin. Mahal, oh. I'll go inside na.
Okay. Be careful.
Opo. Alright.
Be back.
Pasukin na natin. Ah, I'm here na. Uy, sriracha. Iba't ibang klaseng hot sauce. Thank you. Sauce, my coffee. Oh, kailangan hugasan. There's a lot of case for tablecloth.
Oh,
Yeah, they're beautiful. They just need to be washed. Ah, ang dami yung ito bukas na. Sun-dried apricot. Ito parang hindi na pwede ito. Uy, wow, ang ganda ng jar. Oh, organic gummies. Orange gummies. Oil lang. Oil lang ang natapon. Kape. Ang ganda nito mga pala. Ay, kuhanin ko talaga. Ay, pinunit nila. Walang Diyo. Sayang naman. Kakainin ko na pinunit nila. Ito, walang punit. Pinunit nila yung isa. Wait mo. Pinunit nga. Sayang. Pinunit pala nila. Ano to? Master blend, mushroom, and adaptogen. Okay. Ano to? Chicken shawarma. Kakainis, pinunit ko lang. Hand soup daw to. Milk na may honey. Ay, wow, wala, ano to? Ano, may mga chocolate, oh. Mahal, oh. Mahal, oh. There's a lot of chocolate here. I need another bag, love. Ang ganda, oh. Mga picture frame. Uy, pwede pa to. Ganda ng picture frame. Nice. Oh, ay, basag na itong isa. Ito mga chocolate, oh. Money chocolate. May gold si Mr. Bean. Uy, nakulot yung gold ni Mr. Bean. Ang sabi niya, Albert Premier Belgian chocolate. Wow. There's a lot of gold here.
Wood?
Gold. Look. Money gold. Wow. I will put it. Yeah, I'll put it separate. It's a whole box. Nice. Ang gold. Gold, Mr. Bean. We're rich na talaga mga Mars. Wala, nakakuha tayo ng gold. Oh my God. Ang daming gold. Mayaman na si Bicolana. Nakakuha ng gold. Ang dami. This one? Yeah. Wow. Ayan pa. Oh. Ito, nagbasagan po may basagan. Ito, nagbasagan. Chocolate. Halloween chocolate. Siguro nasa jar ito. Tapos naglaglagan siya. Huwag lang natin kunin yung ano. Yung glass. Not yet. This is too much gold. Huh? Yeah, I think so too. I'm getting the gold. Yes, it's gold. We need the gold. We'll get rich. Oh wow, that's too bad. Mal, remember this? There's a coffee press.
Yeah, it's a long
but
one.
it broke. It Uy, sinumero ko ng gold. Oh, this is pretty. Look, it's not broken. I'll get it. Ang ganda. Ito broken yung ano niya. Ito. Okay lang yan kahit walang takip. Wow, that's too bad. It's broken, oh. Para saan to? What's it?
Oh, only it's not a turntable. It broke.
It broke? Okay. There's no lid, but it's cool. No, I don't think so. That's alone. Okay, I'm done with this one box. Get this gold coins before they come off. Maging ano tayo. They cut this all open, oh. Oh, this one is not. Yep. Got it all. Huh. I wonder what's in this. Oh, wow. Oh, this is what we're smelling. No, I don't want to mess with this because it's a candle. Yep, it's a candle.
What else?
And this one, it broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing that we can use. We can get here. Oh, I can use this.
Be careful, you don't have that jelly on you.
Thank you. There's another one. It's a chocolate. Yeah. Huwag na tayong mag-mix ito. Okay na. Okay. Ayun, ano to? Olive oil? Germany tough for. This is the one that got spilled. It has a saffron on it.
Saffron?
Yeah, inside.
Really?
Seems like it. That seems saffron. Ano to? Extra virgin chili pepper. Oh, wow! Ha! Ang daming cool stuff dito. Ito, KOP. Gluten-free mayonnaise. That's gluten-free mayonnaise. There's some vitamins too, mahal. Raspberry champagne vinegar. Oh, that looks new. This mahalo mushroom meds. Okay. Gamitin natin itong isang box. Natin, baka mayroon tayo. Mga tayo dito, mga Mars. Ang bigat nito, parang kaya makuha natin dito, mga Mars, ha? Kaya uy, may saging, oh. Ganda ng saging. Uy, kunin natin yan. Ang lamig pa, oh. Katapon lang nila. Ay, may grapes din, ha? Ay, may manok na bulok case. Ay, look at that grapes, mahal, oh.
Oh, nice.
Organic. Organic, nice. Organic grapes, oh. Okay, mabigat. Ay, may ano to? Ano to? Pumpkin bisque. Ay, open na. Open na ang pumpkin bisque. Dry na yung orange. Dry na yung orange. Uy, ang bigat nito, ah. Ang bigat mo, Mr. Bean, ah. Mr. Bean daw. Okay, Mr. May papaya. Kaya mabigat.
Look at this bag, see if you think I should go inside.
Let me see. Bag. Oh, there's, I think so. Yeah. What's those, love? What's?
Oh no.
I think there's stuff in this box. Yeah, I think it's worth getting. Maybe there's stuff in it.
Okay.
But please be careful if you wanna go inside. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful, love. Parang may laman yung box. Uy, ano to? Freeze dried tart cherries. Nice. May cherry. Cherries, Mr. Bean. Oops. Ground beef. Oops. May itlog. Ay, may itlog siguro dito. Naano ng itlog, oh. Ayan. May ground beef tayo. Chips. Laki ng potato chips with sea salt. Yep. May ano. Yung papayang nagpabigat. Uy, may ano. Ay, pumutok na. Pumutok na yung cinnamon roll. Okay. Yan lang. Huh? What is it?
I think it's ramen or something. I don't
Oh,
know.
that's nice. Yeah, it is. It's ramen, but it's like written with Chinese. That's cool. What else in that box? Is that chocolate? Oh, it's a book. It's like a Chinese.
Something.
I think this is Chinese book.
No, I don't. I can't tell the difference. I'm not familiar with it.
No, I think this is Japanese or Chinese. I'll open this one. Sana meron. Kasi pumasok pa si kano sa loob. Hoy! What? What's in here?
I don't know.
Oh. May laman. This is Chinese. You can't read it. This is Gillette.
That's shaving,
Gillette foam.
shaving cream. Yeah.
And what is this? Ano to? Huh? Oh, what's this for?
Oh,
Kind of like brush or something. Okay, oh, brush. I can take this. Hindi ko alam para saan to. Kunin natin. Chinese. Nice. Ay, sayang may itlog oh. Basag-basag na siguro yung itlog. Ay, naku. Masag na nga ang itlog. Masag na ang itlog ni Mr. Bean. Popcorn. White cheddar popcorn. Follow up with card log. Wala man oh. May notes. Like popcorn notes. Okay, thinking lang. Mahal oh. Oh, this is very light. I think there's nothing in here.
Just all the bag. Thought maybe they went shopping or something.
Yeah, I think it's just like where they eat it. Yeah, wala in that one, love.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Yan, nakuha natin. May nakuha tayo kahit papano. Diba? Better than nothing. Some apples. Ayan, may chips tayo. Freeze-dried. And,
Wala?
opo. There's papaya on it. That's why it's heavy. Organic grapes. May ano tayo. I don't know, love. Tara na. Lipin natin to. Uy, wala. Wala. Tingnan si kabila. Walay biday. But this box is heavy. Nope. Alright, tara let's. Ano kaya yung nandun oh? May cookies. Parang may cookies doon sa kabila. Ano, tinangan natin yun. Try natin yung stick. Ayan. Let's see what we got here. Yung bigat-bigat ha. Uy, parang grocery yata to ah. Ay, bigat. Ang grocery nga. Ano natin? Uy, moldy cheese. Namig pa yung turkey oh. Kaso parang amoy perfume siya. Ano to? Red chili bean. Pasta sauce. Hindi open. Ito, spaghetti. Uy, may spaghetti oh. Moldy na yung cheese. Itong cookie. Ano to? Bukas na ba to? Ay, nakasealed pa. Uy, sealed pa yung cookies. Okay. Wrapper. Hindi niya ang good. Okay. Okay. Ito. Itong nuggets. Hindi na. Hindi na siya pwede. May mold ng cheese na ito. Okay, dokes. Parang yun lang ang makuha natin. Alright. Tara na. Hello, Mr. Bean. Ano ang nandito? Ano ito? May candy. Bigat ah. May candy yata dito ah. Ano natin? Ay, nakahalo naman ng ano. Naluan nila ng tingnan natin. Kasi parang nakahalo siya sa ano. Pinagwalisan ba? Ano nakarap? Ano ba to? Tissue. Kunin ko tissue. Ano to? Pang display lang ba? Ang bigat. Oh, strawberry. Uy! Strawberry eraser. Ang galing. Kunin nga natin to. Strawberry eraser daw. Tootsie Pops, mahal. Tootsie Pops. Oh.
Okay, huh?
Yeah. Look. Labubo. Oh, yeah. Kunin natin yan. Tootsie Pops. Mga lollipops. Lollipop ni Mr. Bean. Dami. Sumbahan din kita. Isang buong anong inanon nila, itinapon. Tapos nagkalat lang dito. Nakasealed naman pala yan siya. Oh, ayun o. Nakapulupot ba. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Ano to? I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Oh, may violet crumble chocolate. There's all kinds of stuff. And some drinks too. Ano to? Para saan to? Mahal, look at this, oh. Para saan kaya to? Hello Kitty. Para saan? Ano natin tong tissue?
Really?
Look, what's that
Oh,
for?
that's a game.
Game?
Yeah, it's Miss. Oh, no, it's there.
Oh, how that thing work?
I don't know if it's gonna work.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'll take it. Huh? It's Hello Kitty. Oh, there's a drink in here. Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon. Alani energy drink. Oh, Dragon Ball Z. Ocean Bomb. Okay, ang baho ng isang ano nila dito, yung kabilang dumpster, nakakasuka naman. Ay, ano naman to? What picture edge? Huh? What is picture edge? Okay. Hello. That's it. Ma. Wonder what.
Another bag.
Yeah. Wonder what's in another bag. I can't reach it. Hi, Mr. Bean. Ay, naku, puno. Uy, look. Ang dami nilang ano. Oh, good pa kaya to? Wala, ang cute. Makuha nga akong dagayan. Daming yun. Ayan, tingnan natin siya. Ang cute ang mga ano. Ano to? Pwede pa kaya ito? Wala mong butas ba? Ha? Ang galing. May libre akong gata. Uy, uy, uy. Ay! Ay! Ay, bukas yung isa. Check natin ng maayos kasi baka mamaya may butas ba. Wala nang laman yan. Ang ganda pa ng mga isang ano yung inano nila. Tinapon nila. Ang dami, isang sako. Nice. Isang sako niyog. Pagkatain tayo nito. Sana may may hipon. May hipon pala ako sa bahay. Magata tayo ng hipon. Ay, parang hindi na ito pwede. May may butas na ba yung ito? Pwede pa. Ang dami pa dun sa lubo. Na kasi siya na. Nako, mabusisi man kudkudon to ba. Pero ayos lang, may kudkuron akong ginawa na ko ni Kano ng kudkuron dati. Okay. Nice, yan. Kanin. Hala, thank you po. May ko. Tingnan natin, baka may papaya. May carrots, Carrots, sayang itong carrots. Ganda pa, Alam niyo mga Mars, sobrang hirap buksan. Kaya, ano lang natin kasi pag binuksan natin to ng todos, siguro maglaglaga naman yung Ayan, Diba? What's up, Mr. Bin? Uy! Hala, may dog food, Sana hindi nila binutas. Natin. Ayan, may siya. Ito na. Bukas, dog food, wholehearted. And, yung dalawa, nulo. Ito, Asan na yung kasama ko? Wanna get it? No. This is whole level. Both side has hole.
Both sides, okay.
Opo. We can take those. Okay. Nice. I just tape that. May dalawa pa, Let's do more. Let's see if there's no hole. No hole. Uy, is that cat litter? Cat food, yay!
Or is it?
Yeah, it is cat food. Nice. Paubos na yung cat food namin kasi may tayo. We have stray. We have
Feral.
We have feral cats. They're in the garden. I think that's it. That's nice. Okay. Yay! We found some cat food. I'm happy for that. Wala na. Tara, lagyan natin kay po itong isa. Pagkain na nating aso. Okay, lagi tayo may baon na tape. Kasi ito ang ginagawa nila. Diba? Okay na yan. Hello mga Mars, nila nyo meron tayong nakita mo. There's stuff in that bag. Natin baka may makuha tayo dito.
See this?
No.
Oh, I think this is stuff.
Huh? What is this? Oh, it's open. Sayang. What na? Malamig sana. Uy, may coffee oh. Uy, what you got? Uy, somebody went shopping for us. Nice. 3 bars. What is chocolate? Butter halibut. Uy, sarap yan. Ano naman to? Fish nuggets. May organic Colombian coffee. Oh, may kape oh. Wow. Swerte. May kape tayo. Uy, may heavy cream. Nice, may heavy cream. Muffin is no good na. Natapon na yung muffin. Ayan, sweet chili onion. Wala, kunin natin yan. There's more bag in there, mahal. Oh, ang dalawa oh.
I can eat cod.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You see? Okay. Oh, we got stuff here. That's good. Okay. Bukas na yung muffin. Muffin is open. So, gamitin natin ito. Okay. This one is finished. Chicken, hindi na good. Ano ito? Artisan sandwich roll. Ano natin ito para sa ating squirrel. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin seeds.
You go look at these other ones, huh?
Which one?
These over here.
Oh, okay.
I'll come back.
Okay. I need that thing though.
Oh, the stick?
Yeah.
I think I got them all.
The one on the other side, just okay? You got it? Okay. Okay. Okay, love.
Light. It's not heavy.
Okay. Thank you. It's okay. Well, if you need it.
I don't need it.
Okay. Okay. More din na yung tinapay. May chicken pero ba't ang bigat? Ba't ang heavy mo? Ano to? Thai red curry. Huh? What? Ay, sayang yung avocado. Yun, may pasta. May spaghetti, oh. Ay, may pasta, pero ano natin. Hindi naman siya nagkalat. Malamig pa to, ah. Malamig pa yung chicken, oh. Siguro yung napapabigat. Yeah. Okay. Ano to? Maitim. Okay, wala na. May mga damit daw dito, sabi ni Mr. Oh. Ay, ang daming damit oh. Pinupunit man kaya nilang damit nito. Oh. Uy, parang ito hindi pinut. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh. Pinupunit kaya nila lahat ang damit dito. Sayang, oh. Ay, nako. Sayang. Sayang na sayang talaga. Kunin niya daw yung jeans. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin niya sa jeans. Ito parang hindi punit. Parang hindi pinunit ito. Yeah, but those shirts has cut.
If it's 100% cotton, I don't
Oh,
care.
they
That's
have,
not cotton.
They have mark
Yeah.
thing.
These blue jean material.
They tear it off. Yeah, they're really mean into their stuff, you know.
I don't care if they're cotton. I mean, if they're cotton, I can use the fabric.
Oh,
As long as it's cotton, 100%.
go get it if you want.
As long as it's cotton.
Wow,
It looks like cotton.
I don't think so.
That's ugly to me.
Oh, look at that little
Oh, those
short.
are cute. I can fix it.
They cut it. Go get it. If you want it, get it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's pretty bad. But it's ripped too. Oh, there's another jeans. This one seems not cut. Maybe. Oh. It's not cut. Seems like someone. It is cut. It's cut, love. This one is just dirty. Oh, they cut it.
Mm.
It's cut. Did you see?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Oh.
but you can you can fix that. What? Let's put them together and then. Yeah, get it, love. You can fix it. May ka siya magtahi ba? Oh, this looks pretty bad. I don't know. Oh, look. Oh, it's a dress. What they did to this one? Oh, it seems like not cut. What do you think? Parang hindi naman po nito. Oh?
Hmm?
Or maybe they cut the bottom.
Get that. I can make a dress out of that.
Oh,
Easy.
it's already dressed. I mean, yeah. Oh, nice. That is. Yeah. Oh, look. Boxer brief.
Cool.
They didn't mess with it. 4T, 5T. It's for.
Oh, for
this
children.
will be good for Angelo.
Mm-hmm.
This will be good for Angelo. Oh, there's another one. Extra large. Oh, this will fit on you. Oh, it's panties. Where's the rest? It's only one. Mahal one.
Let's put all this in that bag.
Look at that one. I think it's not cut. That's nice. Huh? There's no cut.
Don't look on that one, huh?
They missed it. Don't get that box.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. It's missing the rest of it. I don't need it. Oh.
I'm sorry, y'all.
See, there's more on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Did you look the other side? Oh, you want some pizza? Ano, walang pinto to Mr. Arvin. Ano, may cat food. There's some cat food in here.
Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna need steak. Like 1, 2 Iams and Tasteful. Yeah, you're gonna. Maybe you need to go inside. And I don't know what's that.
I can only fall so far.
Yeah. Don't hurt yourself, love. Oh, is that a whole case of canned food? Oh, what is that?
Oh.
It's a litter box. Nice. May litter box tayo. Yeah. Oh, a whole case of Friskies. Nice. Ming Ming will be happy. May rescue cat ako. May panibago na naman tayong rescue cat. Ay, nako. Parang, oh my god, that stink. I think it's scented. I need to get it out. Ano, mabaho.
Huh?
It's stinky.
Oh.
I think some of them is open. What is that? That's
Oh,
cute.
it's for paper towel.
Oh, okay. I thought it's like a cage. Man, I think that's litter box. I mean, that's litter. Like the one that we use for cats. It's fine. Yes, it is. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna change my
Yeah.
before I hold that.
Go down.
Nice. Oh, it's open. Okay. Okay. May bukas pala.
It's
I get it. Oh. Libre na naman tayo ng litter box. Ito ay mabaho. Ano siya? I think nalaglag pa. Kunin lang natin yung ano ito? Ayan oh. Ito. Ayan. Good pa ito. Naku, kabaho talaga. Uy. Amoy udo. Amoy udo. Mr. Bean. You found more? Kailangan pakain sa Ming-Ming ko agad. Bantot mo man, biloy. This smell udo.
stink.
Alright, put this back.
One of them leak or something?
Yeah, I think they dropped this. And then it leaked. Okay. Hello mga Mars. Tingnan nyo oh. Andito na naman tayo. May mga lumusot na sport hydration. Kunin natin, sayang to. Oh. Lumusot sa compactor nila. Ayan o, ang dami oh. Andito lang sa ano, sa ilalim. Ano kaya to? Okay. Ay, tutugo. Oh, may ano oh. Ano natin to? Ayan oh, ano to? Odyssey White Hot Og. Pang-wrap sa ano, balot sa ano, sa golf shop, golf head. Ayan o, bago pa. Ayan lang. Ayan. Kuhanin natin ito. Sayang ito pang hydrant daw. Ha? Hello mga Mars! Ayan, ito na yung ating unload. Ayan po, madami po tayong nakuha. Ayan. O, diba? Sari-sari ang ating naharbat. Ayan, isa-isay na natin kasi madami-dami itong ating mga nakuha. Ayan, meron tayong mga picture frame. Ayan, o. Ito, ang ganda. Bet na bet ko itong ano, pure glass siya, o. Tinapon nila kasi nabalatan na, natanggal yung paint. Ayan, at ito pa. Ayan pa yung malaking picture frame. Ayan, at ito naman, At ito namang Mexico collection. Itong skull, oh. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda, oh. Tada! Ito. Kaso, problema niya, kaya nila itinapon ito ay natanggal yung kanyang hat. Pero ang gagawin ko dito ay i-glue natin yan, mga Mars. I-glue natin para maganda. Oh, ayan, di ba? Maganda pang display sa Halloween. So, ayan, meron tayo dito ang Benton's Danish Butter Cookies at ang mga Italian pasta. Mga Italian, made from Italy. Itong pasta na ito ay kakaiba. Kakaiba siya kasi may egg pasta with Barolo wine. Ayan, no? Made from Italy. Lahat ng nakuha natin ay hindi po expired. Ito, asan yung expiration? Nabura siguro. Kasi hinugasan ko to eh. Hinugasan ko siya kasi na-cover siya ng ng oil. Ay, natanggal siguro yung niya. Pero hindi ito expired ng 2020. Ito po expiration. 2027 po yung expiration nito. Kung nakikita nyo. Kikita nyo ba? Ayan, 2027. Ito naman ay, expired niya ay sa sealed siya ha. Sa 2026, August 2026. Ayan. Oh, ayan. At ito namang pasta na may Ferdinando II. May pepper, made in Italy. May sili po yung pasta na ito. At ang expiration niya ay, saan na yun? Ayan, 2028 expiration niya. Ayan o, may nagsasabi bakit daw hindi ko pinapakita ang expiration. Ay, kuha lang ako ng kuha. At hindi ko tinitingnan ang expiration. Tinitingnan ko po yung expiration pagdating ng bahay. Expiration, it doesn't really matter naman kasi pag nagtapon sila ay few days ng expiration. Pero ang mga goodies na tinatapon nila ay may mga extension life po yan. Hindi ibig sabihin expired na ay hindi na pwedeng kainin. So, ang arte mo naman, ganon, di ba? Pagka maarte mga ganon, sige, tapon mo, mayaman ka, di ba? So, ito, meron tayo dito, organic pasta with red lentils. Ito ay may shape ng, tiger, and, ang tawag nito? And, monkey, tiger and monkey, tingnan nyo, oh, may kita nyo, may mga shape yung niya. Ay, 2028 din expiration yan. Yan, ito naman ay donkey and, donkey ba yan o horse? Ewan. Donkey at, bunny. Ang expiration niya ay made in Italy to. Lahat ng nakuha natin ay Italy. 2028 din, ayan. At ito namang gluten-free macaroni. Yan ang macaroni, chifirene, corn. Oh, corn and rice pasta. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayan siya, madami siya, oh. Ay, nabura na, oh. 2028 din expiration yan. At itong, pasta. Siyempre, pasta rin. Mukhang egg noodles. At, hindi yan siya expired 2023. Ayan, oh. Tingnan mo, yung nagsasabi na hindi ko dito na expiration, ha. Ayan, oh. At tapos, ito meron tayo ditong OG Bite Nut Selection. Ayan. Ayan ay 2026 pa. Ayan, bulat mo yung mukha mo, ha. Nagsasabi ka hindi ko tinitingnan expiration. Yes, kinukuha ko. Kahit expired na yan. At ilang days lang yan siya expired. At meron tayo ditong tinapay, sandwich rolls. Ito, expired na, oh. Nung 9 pa. Soft pa siya, walang amag. So, pwede pa yan. Pwede pa po yan mga ganyan kahit expired na siya ng ilang days. At itong soup and oyster crackers. Ayan, oh. 2026 expiration yan. Ayan. At may mga candies tayo dito. Ito, oh. Mga lollipops, Tootsie Pops. Ayan. Mga Tootsie Pops. At ang mga Halloween chocolate. Ito, yung mga Halloween chocolate, nag-crack po yung, nabasag yung yung jar niya, kaya nila itinapon. Pero kinuha ko yung chocolate, sayang eh, diba? At meron tayo dito mga tablecloth, hindi. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag doon. Ayan, oh, yung sa table mat ba to? Yung, nakalimutan ko talaga yung tawag nito. Yung lalagay mo sa ano, yung plate ba? Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan, isa. Dalawa lang nakuha ko nito. Ito naman ay 4. Ayan. Ayan o, mga ganyan. Ang gaganda. At meron tayo ditong Nemo. Ayan o. Nemo. Nemo daw, hindi. Sesame Street. At ito namang mga kitchen stuff. Meron tayo ditong peeler. Ayan o. Cook with color. 2-piece peeler. Asan yung isa? Hindi ko nahanap yung isa. Ayan o, may peeler. At meron tayong food tong. Mga wooden spoon, spatula. Ang gaganda niya, no? Tingnan nyo. Ang gaganda. Ayan, no? Ito po, walang expiration, ha? Kuya yung nagsasabi may expiration daw. Tingnan mo. May expiration ba ito? Wala pong expiration ng mga tools, di ba? Ayan. At meron tayo ditong Boba Milk Tea Mochi. Ayan. Siya ay expired na ba? Tingnan natin. Ay, 2026. Oh, yan. Oh, 2026. Mulat mo ang mata mo. Ito, hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam ito kung nabasa mo ba? Hindi ko mabasa eh. Chinese noodles ba ito? Or Japanese noodles or whatever. Ayan, 3 pack. At meron tayong Jubis ko. Ano to? Nataliko ba? Oh, may nataliko ko. Oh. 2026 expiration, oh. Ayan, oh. Blur ba? Para nakita. Ayan. At ito namang candies natin dito. Tingnan nyo yung candies natin. Meron tayo nitong lime. 6 fruit lollipop. Ayan. At meron tayo ditong pasta. Ito ay may reason din. Bakit nila tinapon ba yung bukas? Pero kinuha ko kasi sayang ganyan siya. Hindi po ako maarte, no? Ayan, oh. Hindi din siya expired. Asan yung production date? 2025. Hindi ko makita expiration niya. Basta may reason siya. Ayan, may reason niya. Oh, 2028. Ayan pala. Duh. Ayan, oh, expiration niya. Oh, 2028 po. Mag-blur man eh. At meron tayo ditong 2 pound ng spaghetti Reggiano. Ayan, ayan, 2027 expiration. 2027 expiration. Ayan, imulat ang mata. Ayan ang gaganda ng ating picture. At ito, maraming gold. Sibi ko lang nakuha. Ayan, oh. Mga gold na pera. Pera. Ang mahal, oh. $7.99. Albert Premier Belgian chocolate. Ayan, oh. Tinapon nila to kasi nagkanda basag-basag po. Ayan, oh. Puro yan, ano. Binalik ko lang sila sa lalagyan. Ayan. Oh. Nagkanda basag-basag sila. Oh. Hindi ko makita expiration niya. Ewan ko kung asan expiration nito. Pero kahit ang expired ng chocolate, kahit ang chocolate ay expired na, hindi yan bad. Just so you know, ha? Ayan. So, hindi mo siguro alam. At meron, ayan. At meron tayo dito aglio, olio, and peperoncino set. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo, ang cute, oh. Magandang pang gift to. Extra virgin olive oil, chili pepper, and garlic naturally flavored. Oh, wow. At may seasoning. Ayan, oh. Parsley with chili pepper, parsley, salt, and garlic. Oy. Ang saya. Ang galing, oh. Ayan, expiration. Best Buy. I-research po kung anong ibig sabihin ng Best Buy. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Best Buy. Ha? Best Buy. At meron tayo ditong hot sauce. Sriracha masala peri-peri hot sauce. Ayan, 3. Isang set siya, no? Ang ganda, oh. Ganda, oh. Pangregalo din. Pero ang ano niya ay naano siya, nalagyan ng oil ang ano niya. Ayan, oh. 2028 din ang expiration, oh. Kita ba? Ano ba yan? Blurry man, oh. Ano ba kung nangyari sa aking camera? Ayan, oh. 2028. Problema ata camera ko. At itong mushroom superfood. Master blend mushroom and adaptogens helps support immune health, vitality, stress relief. Meron siyang 10 mushrooms and 200 mg ashwagandha daily boost po. Ito ay maganda sa iyong utak. Ayan, oh. Pang brain support yan, oh. Brain. Ayan, oh. Brain do. Oh, dik. Ayan. Ito ay talaga hinahanap ko yung ano niya, oh, yung expiration date. Hindi ko makita. Ewan, ayan oh. Ayan, price lang yan. Ayan. Hindi ko makita yung expiration date nito. Ayan. At meron tayo dito ng mga daw. Dalawang ganito ng crunchy chili onion. 2026 expiration. Kung nakikita mo. Ayan. At ito naman ay hydration sport. Ayan o, fruit punch. Ayan. Ang ano niya ay meron tayo ditong nakuhang 369. 907. Uy, 9. Grabe, hindi marunong magbilang si Bukulana, oh. At meron tayo din ng Trader Joe's almond butter creamy. Ano ang expiration mo, be? Wala. Hindi kita makita. Hindi ko makita ang expiration. Ayan. Ayan ang expiration niya. Ay, 2026. Kita nyo? Ayan ang 2026. At ang ating original chili wheat beans. Ayan. Expired na yata to. 2027 pala ang expiration niya. Ayan, oh. At, ano ba? Galit. Organic whipping cream. Organic heavy whipping cream. Ito siguro expired na. Kaya tinapon. Oh, hindi pa, oh. So, October pa, oh. So, October pa expired. Nice. Kaswerte naman. Hindi expired. At ang pasta, Regano Traditional Pasta Sauce, ay 2027 din ang expiration niya. Ano? 2027. At ito namang California Raspberry Champagne Vinegar. Kakaiba itong vinegar na nakuha natin, oh. Ito hindi ko talaga makita yung expiration nito. Ayun, pero I don't care. Diba? At meron tayo dito chicken shawarma. May Middle East seasonings. Ano niya, oh. 3 yung nakuha natin, oh. Masarap siguro ito, no? I-season mo sa manok. Chicken seasoning. Ito naman ay meat pasta sauce. Grabe, ang dami na nakuha natin, oh. Ayan, oh. 2027. At ito pala, akala ko nito ay lemon juice. Ayun pala, mantika. Tingnan nyo, oh. Extra virgin olive oil and vegetable oil. Natural lemon flavor. Mantika na may flavor ng lemon. Wala, may ganun pala mga Mars. Akala ko, mantika lang na may garlic. Ayun. Ito naman, ang expiration niya, 2026. Next year pa. Ayan, oh, September 2026. Oh, diba? Wow, saya. Ang saya naman. At ito naman, may Sailor Moon drinks tayo. Tinapon nila kasi. Dented yan siya. Oh. Expiration 2026. At ito namang Dragon Ball Z peach flavor. Goku Black. Ito ay, inumin ng mga taga Taiwan. Nakita ko, ayan. Ayan, 2027. Ayan. Ito ang problema nito. Hindi, wala mang problema, no? At ito naman ay dented. Alani energy drink. Ayan. At ito, merong Jimmy. Ito ay from Germany ata ito. Jimmy Granny. Germany or Italy, I don't know. Ito ay merong extra virgin olive oil na may kasama, extra virgin olive oil with truffle. Kaya yun, ayun siguro yung truffle, oh. Kakaiba, ko yung lasa nito. May truffle daw. At ito namang ito may toys tayo dito. Ay, hindi na. Ito yung toys, may toys tayo dito. Ayan. Ito, akala ko nito kung ano lang. Lagay ko lang sa rep ba. Ano pala ito? Fruit punch. Fruit frenzy bars. Popsicle pala ito, uy. Walang ko popsicle. Lusaw na siya, eh. Ayan, oh, tingnan nyo, hindi siya expired, oh, sa next year pa. At itong gun banana. Ito ay frozen banana na coated ng chocolate. Ayan, oh, hindi pa rin expired. At meron tayo ditong oven ready. Breaded cod fillet. Fish siya, cod fish fillet. Ano natin? Ano to? Ano expiration ba yan? Hindi makita. Hindi naman siguro expiration yun. itong expiration niya. At meron ditong fish nuggets. Ayan. May karne. May manok. Organic na chicken tayo dito. Ayan o. Sell by September 14, 2025. Anong petsa ba nga? Oh, ngayon lang siya expired. Sell by ibig sabihin hindi pa yan expired na ha. Yun lang ang ano nila, minimum nila. Pag hindi nila nabenta ng date na yan, itapo na kahit hindi pa siya sira. Diba? Meron tayo ditong buttered halibut. Ayan. At mga ganito mga cold brew. Gourmet cold brew. Cold water. Pang cold water siya. Dinugasan ko yung ano niya, Mars, yung mga box niya. Sana hindi nabusa yung tea. Kasi ano siya, coveran siya ng oil. Ayan. At ang ating, wow, may niyog. Mapapalaban ako sa pagkudkud ng niyog. Ayan, kinuha ko talaga. Kumuha ako. Napakadami yung niyog na tinapon nila. Parang, yung isang sako ay nabagsak siya at may mga nag-crack. Kaya tinapon na lang nila lahat yung isang buong sako. Ayan may mga tubig pa yan siya. Walang leak or keme. Maggata na naman ako niyan. Maggagata naman sa Bicolana. At may kape. May coffee tayo. Coffee man. Sa next year pa expiration niya. 2026. At ang Organic Colombia. Ayan. Ito expired siguro to. Oh, hindi Next year Next year pa expiration niya. Ayan. At meron tayo dito ang gnocchi. Ayan from Italy din itong gnocchi na to. Ay, sorry. Asan ang expiration mo, dahil? Wala akong makitang expiration. Pero imposible may... Ay, ito pala. Ay, naku. Ayan 2026. At meron tayo ditong organic petite dates. Ayan. May carrots. May organic na saging. Hanapin natin expiration ng saging. Pag bumili ba kayo ng saging or coconut sa palengke, may expiration ba? Pa-comment naman kung may expiration yung saging at yung yung coconut. Tsaka yung mga prutas ba na nabibili nyo. At meron tayo dito ang crisp. Ayan May may apple. Apple, hindi ko nahanapin expiration ha. Kasi wala naman yan siyang expiration wala naman expiration yung prutas. Ayan. At may lemon truffle. Ayan may lemon truffle tayo. 2026 expiration At ang love is love. Love is love. Gamit siguro ite. From product from Italy. 2027. Ito ba? Hindi ko nakita yung expiration nito. Ay, hindi. Best by 2026. Ayan parang nabasa yung expiration niya. 2026. At may tissue tayo. Ang tissue wala pong expiration At ito, mayroon tayo ditong mayonnaise gluten-free. 2026 expiration. At ang ating ay cotton candy. May cotton candy tayo dito Nasaan ang expiration guys? Nasaan ang expiration nito? Ayan expired na siguro to. November siguro. Ayan November yata. Ayan November 8, 2005. Sa November pa. Cotton candy lemon flavor At ang malaking, ang ganda ng jar niya. Plastic nga lang. Orange gummies. May orange gummies tayo. Ayan, 2020. Nasaan ka na? Ito ay expired na siya sa 17. Sa 3 days before. 3 days before expiration, tinapon na nila diba? Ang daming gamis At ang tablecloth. Ayun tingnan mo yung tablecloth pinunin nila scratch nila pero pwede pa yun, gamitin ko pa to. Ipa-fix ko kay kano to Ayan ang ganda ay dalawang set ayan. So ayan lahat yung mga cat food na mga nakuha natin ay hindi ko na isinama dito. Kasi madaming tawag nito, wala na akong paglalagyan. So ayan lahat po na ang nakuha natin. Pasensya na mahabang ang load ko. Kailangan ko sa inyo ipakita yung mga expiration date. I'm just being transparent lang po sa inyo.
Para hindi nyo sabihin na hindi ko tinitignan yung expiration date. O, diba? So, ayan mga Mars, sana happy na po yung nagsasabi na bakit hindi ko tinitignan yung expiration date. Kuha lang ako nakuha. Ngayon, panoorin nyo po ito, baka para ma-happy, ano kayo. Makita nyo na hindi lang ako kuha ng kuha. Yes, kuha ako ng kuha. Pero, pagdating ng bayan, syempre titingnan mo rin yung expiration date. But, expiration date doesn't really matter for us. Para sa amin lang yun. Pero kung sa inyo na maarte kayo sa expiration date, well, it's up to you. It's you. It's not us. So, ayan, mga Mars, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Salamat po sa panonood. Don't forget to subscribe and like kung nagustuhan nyo po ang aming video. At pa-share na din po. Bye!